Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a wedding invitation in Canva. Canva is a fantastic graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning wedding invitations that will impress your guests. With its friendly user interface and a vast library of design elements, Canva makes designing wedding invitations easy and fun. So let's get started. The first step is to choose a template. For that, you need to go to the Canva website, that is canva.com, and log into your account. Once you are here, just select the template and search for the wedding invitations. Just click on it. Once you scroll down, you can use these templates or you can create your own by clicking on create a design. Let's use one of these templates and let me show you how you can edit and make one for your own. Just select anyone that you like. For example, this one. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to click on customize this template. It will open up in the other tab. And there you have the template. Now let's edit this template and make one for your own. Now let's change these text and add your own. Just double click on it and write the name of the groom and the bride. You can change the font of this as well. Just click on it and use these font templates that Canva provides you for free. Once you are happy with the font, if you want to change the color of this, just click on it and use the A icon and choose the color from it. If your color is not here, you just simply need to click on it and choose your own color. I will choose this. And now let's change the date. Or if you want to add something here, you can add it here as well. Let's change the date. You can change the timing and the avenue for the wedding. And once you are happy with your design, just simply click on File and click on Download. You can use these options, and also you can choose the PDF standard for the emailing and best for the documents. Once you are done with this, just click on Download. It will take some time to download. And that's it, guys. Designing a wedding invitation in Canva is super easy and fun. With its user-friendly interface and powerful design tools, you can create stunning wedding graphics or the invitations that will set the tone of your special day. So go ahead and give it a try, and also let us know how it goes. Well, if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.